Did you know that Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after his 50th birthday? It's true. The Oracle of Omaha, as he's often called, wasn't born a billionaire. He built his fortune through smart investments and a deep understanding of financial principles. One of his secrets? Leveraging assets. Now you might be thinking leveraging assets sounds complicated. Don't worry, it's not as complex as you might think. In simple terms, it means using what you already have to create more wealth. Think of it like using a seed to grow a tree. The seed is your asset, and the tree represents the wealth you can generate. Buffett has mastered the art of using leverage to grow his wealth exponentially. He understands that true wealth isn't just about working hard, it's about making your money work hard for you. He focuses on long-term value and strategic investments that yield substantial returns. This principle of leveraging assets isn't just for billionaires like Buffett. It's a powerful tool that anyone can use to build a brighter financial future. In this essay, we'll explore how you can apply Buffett's strategies to your own life and start creating lasting wealth. Get ready to unlock your financial potential. Leveraging assets can take various forms. It could be as simple as investing in a rental property and using the rental income to pay off the mortgage. As you build equity, you can leverage that to purchase more properties. This creates a snowball effect, with each asset working hard to generate more wealth. Another way to leverage assets is through investing in the stock market. By carefully selecting companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential, you can use your initial investment to generate significant returns over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and discipline are key. Buffett's investment philosophy emphasizes value investing. He looks for undervalued companies with strong earning potential. By buying these companies at a discount and holding them for the long term, he benefits from their growth and the power of compound interest. Remember, leveraging assets isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart financial decisions that will benefit you in the long run. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Many people struggle to build wealth quickly and effectively. One common reason is a lack of financial literacy. Without a solid understanding of basic financial principles, it's easy to make costly mistakes and miss out on opportunities. Another struggle is the fear of taking risks. Many are afraid to invest their money, fearing they might lose it all. This fear often stems from a lack of knowledge and understanding of how investments work. Procrastination is another major obstacle. People often put off investing for someday when they have more money or time. But the truth is, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Overcoming these struggles requires a shift in mindset. It's about educating yourself about personal finance, learning to manage risk effectively, and taking action. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you understand about money, the better equipped you'll be to grow it. Warren Buffett's success can be attributed to a set of core principles that guide his investment decisions. These principles are simple, yet powerful, and can be applied by anyone looking to build wealth. One of his most important principles is, invest in what you understand. Buffett believes in thoroughly researching and understanding a business before investing in it. Don't invest in something just because everyone else is doing it. Make sure you understand the business model, the industry, and the company's competitive advantage. Another key principle is, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This contrarian approach has allowed Buffett to capitalize on market downturns and buy undervalued assets while others panic. Buffett also emphasizes the importance of long-term thinking. He famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." He focuses on investing in companies with a durable competitive advantage that can withstand the test of time. One pivotal moment in Warren Buffett's career that perfectly illustrates his asset leveraging strategy is his acquisition of Geico Insurance. Buffett first invested in Geico in the 1950s when he recognized the company's potential for growth and its low-cost business model. Over the years, Buffett continued to buy more shares of Geico, eventually acquiring the entire company. This acquisition gave Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's holding company, a significant competitive advantage in the insurance industry and generated billions of dollars in profits. Buffett's Geico investment highlights the power of identifying undervalued assets with strong fundamentals. He understood the insurance industry's dynamics and recognized Geico's potential to disrupt the market with its direct-to-consumer model. This acquisition showcases Buffett's commitment to long-term value investing and his ability to leverage strategic acquisitions to build a massive financial empire. So, what are the key takeaways from Warren Buffett's approach to leveraging assets for quick wealth accumulation? First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that quick doesn't mean overnight. Building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. Second, focus on acquiring assets that generate income. This could be rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or businesses that produce cash flow. These assets work for you, generating income even while you sleep. Third, embrace the power of compound interest. By reinvesting your earnings and allowing them to compound over time, you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth can grow. Remember, compound interest is like a snowball rolling downhill. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. Finally, never stop learning and adapting. The financial world is constantly changing, so it's essential to stay informed, adapt to new trends, and refine your investment strategies. Warren Buffett's journey to becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals is an inspiration to us all. It demonstrates that anyone, regardless of their background, can achieve financial freedom by adopting the right mindset and strategies. The principles of asset leveraging, value investing, and long-term thinking are not exclusive to billionaires. They are accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort to learn and apply them. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Start by educating yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and seek guidance from financial mentors. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in making informed financial decisions. Take that first step towards financial freedom today. Your future self will thank you for it. Don't let this valuable information stop here. Share this essay with your friends, family, and anyone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Let's spread the message of financial empowerment and help others achieve their dreams. If you found this essay helpful and inspiring, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. We're here to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the path to wealth is open to everyone. It's time to unlock your financial potential and start building the life you deserve.